have read in news that there is very much of plastic and garbage collected in an ocean, which is affecting the ocean water being come out. So,
Right.
like recycling the
Good, good.
use of plastic, I
Yes.
think it is something which will affect our environment, help to
Hmm.
save our environment.
Right. So your answer is mashallah good, but again, focus on the question. What do you recycle and why? So you can come back to the question. This is why I recycle. This is why we recycle. So question again. What do you recycle and why? As I told you earlier that I recycle plastic bags, container, and as well as papers. So I do recycle them quite often. And as I mentioned that they have a detrimental, injurious, or I would say the harmful effect on the marine ecosystem as well as the land. The people are doing that. So because to avoid this carbon emission, deforestation, and other things, we recycle or I recycle. So you can come back to the question why? Why do you recycle? Okay? Did you recycle as a child?
Oh,
See, well, I'm not sure about it. I don't remember. I think maybe I didn't recycle, but I would say that I have been taught to recycle by my teacher. I had been taught by my teacher about science teacher. In fact, she told us to recycle things, and I learned those things. But I don't remember like whether I recycled or not. So this is the like honest answer. Okay, you don't
I
have to.
had a
Yes,
question
right.
that like as a child means when I was a child, do you
Yes,
recycle?
yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
To be very frank, I didn't remember as a child I recycled something or not. But while I was schooling, my teachers used to.
While I was in school,
Okay, while I was in school, my teachers used to taught us like recycling.
used to again to teach us. Used to teach
Okay,
us.
used to teach us that we have to recycle many things.
Mhm.
But I personally didn't remember any.
I don't remember.
I don't.
मुझे याद नहीं है.
I don't remember
Hmm.
that I did any action which reveals my recycling activity.
Okay, right. Now, should I ask more question to you on this pattern, or should I go to part two?
It all
Are you
upon you.
okay? Thank you. What action will you? This is my personal question. What action will you take to to conserve the environment for the safety of the environment? What action will you take personally in the future?
Uh, if you say personally, I will like to reduce my, as I mentioned it before also, that
Yes.
the